fried chicken sandwich, baby. That's what I'm making for you. Welcome to the Catalina Cook, a channel dedicated to making food videos and cooking tutorials. So the first thing that we're gonna do to complete this fried chicken sandwich experience is we're gonna make up our sauce. So the sauce is 50% chili paste and 50% honey. That's it. The honey is thick, so make sure you are in a big enough bowl to have some whisking room. Second thing that we gotta do is fry the chicken. Before we can fry the chicken though, we have to take the chicken and we're dip it into the flour, and then we're gonna go into the egg, and then we're gonna go into the breadcrumb, and then we're gonna go into a different container and set our chicken aside. That being said, don't put your fingers in the egg. Use a utensil for your egg. You can touch the flour and you can touch the breadcrumbs, but don't touch the egg because then you're gonna start battering your finger. So let me demonstrate. Coat all your chicken ahead of time. That way everything's ready and you can just lay them all in the pan. All right, so we got our breaded chicken and we got our oil in a skillet preheating. Let's get our oil hot before we put the chicken in, and then we're just gonna fry both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's give it a little peek here. Flip. Checking the bottoms for that golden brown color. Ooh, that looks good. Fried chicken. Okay, so we got a little bit of work to do at the oven, so I'm gonna turn the oven on broil high, and we're gonna toast the buns. It's only gonna take 1 minute or less on high, so don't leave the buns in there for too long because you'll burn them really quick. And then we're gonna keep the broiler on because I'm gonna put a piece of pepper jack cheese on top of the chicken to melt the cheese. Brioche buns going in the oven now. All right, 1 minute. All right, look at that. Sliced pepper jack right on top of the chicken. We're just gonna throw it in the broiler for a second here just to get some melt on the cheese. All right, 1 minute in the broiler. Oh, look at the melted cheese. Fried chicken sandwiches. Got the melted cheese right on top. Just going to take my toasted top, put it right on top, flip it back over. So, a little bit of spinach. And I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. A touch of the pickled red onions. Cucumber. And then we'll go boom, Flip it back. Flip it back. Just a little bit more of the sauce. Oh yes. It's spicy, it's juicy, it has a little bit of extra crunch from the pickly items. The bread's doing a good job of holding it all together. It's a good combination. Thanks for watching Catalina cook and the fried chicken sandwich episode. It was really good, really yummy. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. It was hard not to eat this fried chicken sandwich and keep filming and taking photos. I wanted to dive in so bad.